because into eyakhishwa kuye kwakhishwa amazwi ukuthi hamba phezu kwami bathandekayo. Uzohamba phezu kwami bathandekayo. So because of faith, wathatha a step of faith, a divine faith, a God-given faith, waphuma phezu kwemkhumbi, washiya abanye, wehla wahamba phezu kwamanzi. Because of faith, ngokholwa amazwi abakade afuna obani bathandekayo uJesu. Wahamba phezu kwamanzi. That is faith that you're talking about. Ukuthi the circumstances, the situation doesn't allow you to benjani bathandekayo ukuthi ikholwe. Another person that had such faith is Abraham. Abraham, because of age, because of a womb, those that didn't allow him ukuthi angaba ubaba, because isibeletho sakasara sasivalekile neminyaka ekade ehambile. But because of divine faith, because of the gift of faith in him, he was able to abe nengane because he had faith. And this disciple, he was able to walk phezu kwamanzi because amanzi analetha ukuthi into anyway kiwo it goes down. Even ematheni ushukela emanzini, ushukela yaphansi because of the weight. How much more a person? That means that person needed to have what bathandekayo? She needed faith to walk on top of what? Iza la sakawa lithi babe bambuza ukuthi where is your faith? So meaning into behamba with a divine faith. That's a gift of what bathandekayo? The gift of faith.